What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about unsuccessful BDO credit card delivery. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng unsuccessful BDO credit card delivery? Meaning, ilang beses na kayo nag-request ng redelivery of your BDO credit card, at the same time, nag-request na rin kayo, tumawag na kayo lahat-lahat, chinek nyo yung status, at yung nangyayari is hindi talaga dumating sa delivery address ninyo yung BDO credit card na yon. I-share ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung dapat nyo gawin at saka kung saan kayo tatawag para mag-request ng redelivery or branch pickup para tanungin kung ano ba talaga nangyayari sa BDO credit card delivery ninyo. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, if your BDO credit card delivery is unsuccessful, immediately request a redelivery via official BDO online form or call the 24/7 hotline at 632-8888-0000 to verify your address. Ngayon, since unsuccessfully delivered siya or hindi talaga dumating kahit nag-request na kayo ng ilang beses ng redelivery sa BDO Credit Card Customer Service, ang dapat nyong gawin is tumawag. Pero I suggest wag na kayo mag-request ng redelivery. Mamaya, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung pinakadapat nyong gawin para sure na makuha ninyo yung BDO credit card ninyo. Cards are usually returned to the bank after failed attempts. So, updating delivery details is crucial to prevent further issues. So, as you can see, updating delivery details is crucial to prevent further issues. Ngayon, ang dapat yung gawin guys is tumawag kayo sa customer service hotline ni BDO para mag-request ng redelivery. Ngayon, nakailang request na kayo ng redelivery, wala pa rin dumating. So, ang dapat yung gawin guys is mag-request ng pick up by branch. So, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng pick up by branch? Which is, si BDO branch yung magtatanggap or tatanggap ng BDO credit card ninyo. Tumawag kayo sa customer service hotline ni BDO para mag-request ng credit card pick up by branch. Sa ganitong paraan, sure na sure, 100%, 101% na makukuha na ninyo yung BDO credit card ninyo. Make sure lang guys na sa branch kung saan malapit lang kayo, na madali nyong puntahan if ever na dumating na sa branch na yon yung BDO credit card na yon. Call the BDO hotline contact number at their 24/7 contact center immediate for assistance. Sa Metro Manila is 632-8888-000. Ngayon, kung PLDT or Globe Lines yung ginagamit ninyo, number sign 8888-000. Yun yung official contact number nila. Ngayon, kung international outside the Philippines kayo, ito yung kailangan yung tawagan. IAC or International Access Codes +8008, then call BDO 2255-236. Check via social media. Reach out to official BDO Unibank on Facebook for updates. So, pwede kayo guys magtanong doon sa official Facebook page ni BDO para sa updates. But, general information lang pinoprovide nila. Kaya naman, make sure lang guys na tumawag na lang talaga kayo. Keep your phone active. So, ito yung importante talaga. BDO will send SMS notifications about dispatch updates. So, make sure lang guys, nung nag-apply kayo ng BDO credit card, dapat yung ilalagay yung mobile number doon is active talaga siya. At araw-araw nyo siyang ginagamit. Ganon din sa email address. Make sure na na-access ninyo. Kasi doon lahat ipapadala yung delivery updates about your BDO credit card kapag nag-request na kayo ng pick up by branch. Unang-una, kapag nag-request kayo ng pick up by branch, makaka-receive kayo ng notification na yung requesting of pick up by branch ninyo is nalag na nila, then under process na. After ma-process, magte-text ulit, which is sasabihin na approve na yung requesting of BDO credit card pick up by branch. Then after that, magsisend ulit sila ng dispatch delivery notification. Tapos, kailangan nyo mag-antay ng 3 to 5 banking days kapag within Metro Manila. Kapag outside Metro Manila, around 10 to 15 banking days siya. Ang dapat nyong gawin kapag na-notify na kayo guys na dumating na sa branch kung saan nyo gusto saan nyo gusto mag-pick up by branch, no? Kung anong branch yon, kailangan nyo pumunta doon agad-agad. Kasi kapag hindi nyo yung pinuntahan, i-return to sender nila yan. Ngayon, problema mo ulit, tatawag ka na naman para mag-request ng pick up by branch at isa na namang proseso yon. Kaya naman make sure na kapag naka-receive na kayo ng notification which is available na siya for pick up by branch, puntahan nyo kaagad. Make sure na magdala kayo ng valid ID, 2 valid ID para sure na smooth lang yung transaction. Kasi may ibang branch talaga guys na stricto when it comes to verifying your identity. May ibang branch na lang hihingi ng 2 valid ID para ma-verify ang identity ninyo bago pa nila ibigay yung BDO credit card sa inyo. Verify address. Ensure delivery address is correct, especially for provincial locations which may take longer. So, hindi mo na kailangan gawin to guys kasi nag-pick up by branch ka na. Ang dapat nyo lang gawin is yung mobile number is active talaga siya at para ma-receive ninyo yung notification na available na yung video credit card niyo to pick up sa branch kung saan nyo pina-deliver. Common reasons for failure. So, ito yung mga common reasons guys kung bakit unsuccessfully delivered yung video credit card sa delivery address ninyo. Una is incomplete address or no one present to receive the card. So, minsan kasi guys, nung nag-apply kayo, nagmamadali kayo, parang binarabara nyo nalang paglagay ng address ninyo, yun yung nangyayari, incomplete siya, hindi nyo nalagyan ng subdivision or yung village, at kaya yung postal code, nagkamali kayo doon, lahat-lahat. Kasi minsan, pag nagkamali kayo sa postal code, talagang maliligaw yung credit card delivery ninyo sa BDO, kung saan-saan yan mapupunta. Ngayon, minsan naman kung nandun na dumating sa bahay nito, wala ka doon, tapos walang tao, so hindi naman nila pwedeng ibigay yon or iiwan lang yun. Kasi confidential yun, delikado yun eh. Kasi maaaring magkaroon ng unauthorized transactions doon. Kaya naman, i-return to sender pa rin yun. Kaya naman, make sure lang guys na kung makareceive kayo ng notification, make sure na hindi mawala ng tao sa bahay ninyo. The courier, example is yung entrego, failed to reach the area. Minsan kasi yung entrego parang, limited lang yung access nila sa area, hindi nila pinupuntahan talaga. May mga courier talaga or mga rider na gano'n na parang, ang layo, ayoko na lang, gano'n. Kaya naman, make sure lang guys na mag-request na lang kayo ng pick up by branch para sure na makuha ninyo yung BDO credit card ninyo. And correct contact number, preventing delivery notification. So, ito na yung pinaka-importante. Kapag mali yung contact details ninyo, hindi makontak, hindi kayo makareceive ng notification, especially yung email kapag hindi ninyo na-access, or yung mobile number, hindi kayo makontak, yun lang talaga. Like for example, nawala yung mobile number ninyo. So, paano nyo pa marireceive yung mga notification ngayon about your BDO credit card delivery? So, magiging unsuccessfully delivered talaga siya. If the card is not received after following up, you may need to call to request formal investigation, usually resolved within 5 banking days. So yun, kapag nag-request na kayo ng pick up by branch, tapos wala pa rin nangyayari, hindi pa rin dumarating, wala pa rin kayo nare-receive ng notification about your video credit card status ng requesting pick up by branch, unsuccessfully delivered pa rin, it's time to call again the video contact center to ask the reason kung bakit ganon. They will investigate at yun, kapag patunayan nila na may problema, mariresolve naman nila agad yun. Kasi gagawa nila ng paraan yan. Mabait naman si BDO guys, don't worry. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!